Dating has never been more competitive, with social media being a gift and a curse for guys who want to date and find women they're compatible with. Men are having a hard time meeting the demands women think they deserve, while women can't seem to find a man they want and need. Patriarchy Poker will teach men how to be more confident, control their emotions, and know when to hold or fold with a woman they match with. It's time to start embracing uncomfortable truths in order to grow into the man that women want to be with and other men want to be like. Go to patriarchypoker.com to get our relationship and dating playing cards or committed relationship playing cards. Because life's a gamble, so play like a man.
Knowing what you bring to the table. A lot of times men don't know what they bring to the table because you never get the accolades that you think that you should have. One of the reasons why you're not getting the accolades is because you're not putting in enough work. You're feeling sorry for yourself. You're looking at the stats. You're listening to statistics. You're listening to big words that you probably would never use on a regular conversation. You're glued to YouTube because people want to congregate and talk about how bad women are. So a lot of times women feel that they're the table. They don't necessarily need to bring anything because all of you men are thirsty. Now, rapper Cameron is apparently being called toxic because he knows what he brings to the table. Let's roll the tape.
It's rude. I'm talking about the younger Cam. It's about 4 years ago. It's very rude of me, and I'm going to admit it. And I'm sorry. I grew up a little bit. I'm saying I'm sorry. But, I was dealing with a female. I don't think I'm no celebrity to fuck me. As long as you hustle, as long as you try to get a dollar, as long as you out there. I don't need no girl that's like, that got too much time on her hands. You got too much time on her hands, you keep asking what I'm doing, and you ain't doing nothing, you annoying. Yeah. So, but one time, this girl had...
What have I always said? I need a bitch who's busy, if not busier than I am. Cameron says, you ain't got to be a celebrity to fuck with me. You just got to be doing what you're supposed to be doing because I'm a busy man. I am a high value man. Whether I'm there or on my way there, I don't have time for 20 questions. I don't have time for you to be wondering what the fuck I'm doing all the time because now you're getting annoying.
Too much time on her hands. And I was in Vegas, but I saw him in LA and she found out I was in Vegas.
Yeah.
She said, you lied to me. And I said, I can afford to lie. You're going to get about 4 or 5 lies a year. That's just the way it go, man. I work hard.
You got too much time on your hands, ho. You're scrolling through my Instagram. You're scrolling through my YouTube trying to see which bitch left a comment. You said you was in LA, but then you really in Vegas. Digital detectives. Cameron says that he can afford to lie to you because he knows what he brings to the table. You're going to get 4 or 5 lies out of me. You got to overlook and stop sweating the small stuff. Let's go.
A couple lies. Yeah. Matter of fact, it wasn't a lie. I ended up coming to Vegas, but like, oh, I thought you was in LA. Yeah, exactly. I don't care if I walk there. As a matter of fact, I'm going to lie to you because you did right. So you know what I told the girl? And look, you deserve it. You're not working hard enough. Sorry, man. Listen, ladies. I'm not like that.
Cam says you're not working hard enough. You got too much time on your hands. See, this is the problem. A lot of times, the thing that attracted the woman to you, you tend to listen to the woman, you derail yourself, you get unfocused. Then you start to become the man that she tells you she wants you to be while with her. But in actuality, in hindsight, that's going to turn the woman off. You got to be the same guy that she was attracted to when she first met you. You got to be the same guy that led her to believe that you are possibly the one. You got to be the same guy that's going to cause a woman emphatically to be on your program, to campaign for your commitment for at least a year. Once you get comfortable, then the bitch gets comfortable. And once the bitch gets comfortable, she's going to stop doing everything that you require her to do.
Well, I grew up, I'm way more mature now. I'm honest about shit. And this is why I'm telling you this, because I would love to be with one woman one day and that's it. But you got to match my hustle. Like, I like females that look great, but you make me feel good. That's what mattered more than me. I told you last time, I'm like a worship. Go to Pornhub and type in worship when niggas lay back and let girls just do whatever they do.
I like women that look great, but you gotta match my hustle. How many of you guys can find a woman to match your hustle? Very far in between. And it's a fine line, right? Because then you got a bitch that's a boss bitch who's all hustle and can't compliment a man. Most men who are hustlers don't have time. If you got too much time on your hands, you're probably broke. Cameron wants to sit back and allow the woman to worship him because he knows what he brings to the table. Shout out to my nigga Afi Kingdom. If she don't adore me, she bores me.
It's a worship right here where you just do this. This is all you doing. Girl, admire your dick. Look at it like it's the best thing in the world. Look around and like, oh my God, I never seen nothing like this in my life. Make you feel like you that nigga. That's a worship.
Where you gonna find the girl?
I got a backup plan. I got it from my uncle.
Yeah.
Me and my uncle got a big, good backup plan. I'm not gonna say which uncle deserve it. You're not working hard enough, right?
Yeah.
If I don't find the right female by the time I'm like 65, 70, I already got a bitch over there overseas. I'm grooming to clean my shit, my fist, make my bed.
So what Cameron's saying right now is shit, by the time he's 60 or 70 years old, if he hasn't found the quote unquote one, he's already been grooming a woman from out of the country to do the shit that he needs. Cook, clean, he's grooming her. That's why you don't burn any bridges. You don't burn any bridges with women. It's what we call lifers. Okay? You call lifers. Sometimes the timing ain't right. Sometimes you got to do different things. You're in different places in your life. You're not where you're supposed to be. So at the end of the day, he says he would like to be with one woman. But how realistic is that for you, sir? A lot of you guys want poly, or you want to live a poly lifestyle. You want to have threesomes and shit like that, but you can't even manage yourself. You can't even manage one woman. So you're eating with your eyes, right? Not with based on what you can handle. You got to be able to stay in your lane, but a lot of you guys don't know what your lane is because somebody's teaching you that you can do whatever they're doing. Even though whatever they're doing isn't because they got game. It's more than likely because they got fucking money. They take great pictures. You guys got to see through the smoke and mirrors, man. Most of the guys who got game aren't doing all those things because they realize that if you're outside like that, you're attracting a lot of unnecessary attention. You got to pay attention to that, bro.
Worship me till I die and leave my son all the bread. I already got a male-ready bitch on standby for when I turn 72 years old if I don't find the right bitch. Hopefully I do. I ain't got my uncle put me onto that plan.
Kim,
you know what I'm saying?
Toxic, Kim. You're toxic.
That's the whole thing. I'm not toxic.
It sounds like it.
No, let me ask you this.
Modern day.
Let me ask you this.
Modern day.
That's why I'm not toxic, because I leave.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm the nigga that leave. The last time a bitch left me, it was second grade because I put gum in her hair. Like, bitches don't leave me. They toxic. Bitches don't leave me, bro. I gotta leave bitches. Ain't no bitch left me. You go down the line, bitches.
Very important. Weak men are waiting on standby to be left. Weak men are concerned if a woman leaves. If a bitch wants to leave, you gotta let her know you can leave. A bitch tells you that I think we need to talk. I think it's over AV. You don't ask her why. You're supposed to know why. You're supposed to have enough discernment. You're supposed to see the red flags coming. If you ain't got time to check it, as soon as she mentions it to you, tell her, yeah, you're right. It's been real. It's been fun. Even if you love the bitch, even if she broke your heart, you got to let her go, bro. Why would you want anybody to stay with you who doesn't want to be there? You learn from loss. You don't learn from wins. You don't learn from getting bitches, you learn from losing bitches. Cameron says that he leaves bitches. He doesn't get left. The only time a bitch left him, the last time a bitch left him was in second grade when he put gum in her hair.
Leave me. You know what, right?
Yeah.
If I don't find I bring too much to the table. I'm handsome. I get money. I hustle. I'm fly. When the bitches don't go, that's fact. Murder, you know the bitches don't leave me. Bitches do not leave me.
Cameron says, I bring too much to the table. I'm handsome. I'm fly. I'm an author. I'm a content creator. I got a 9-to-5. I ain't got no felonies. I got good credit. Bitch, if you want to leave, that's on you. You leave. I bring way too much to the table. That's how you got to be, guys. You got to make sure that you understand your value. Don't listen to what women say on podcasts. Women are all followers. When it starts to be cool to be feminine and a compliment to a man, women are going to follow suit. Look on TikTok, look on Instagram. They're all wearing the same fake baby eyelashes, the baby hairs, the fake wigs, etc., the waist trainers, the girdles, etc. You are the prize when you put the work in, not because you got a cock and balls, but because you know that your value increases as you age. Your value increases as you continue to get wiser. Cameron is being called toxic because he's not putting up with any nonsense. You're going to be called toxic. You're going to be asked who broke your heart. You're going to say you have a vitriol towards women. Who gives a shit what anybody says? As long as you know and you're building your realistic standards, you're building the lifestyle that you want. Sure, the numbers are going to be low. Sure, you're not going to be able to find a woman that's going to match your hustle. But at the end of the day, if a woman really wants to be with you, you got to really know what to tell her and what you expect from her. Once you know and what you're clear and concise about what you expect from her, she's either going to be able to deliver or she's not going to be part of the rotation. Keep grinding, bro. Peace.
According to the Survey Center on American Life, 79% of married men are very satisfied with their relationship. But expectations have been stressful for men bearing the burden of performance to a woman's nature. Men have to protect and provide only to be replaced by a bigger, better deal. Patriarchy Poker will teach men how to be more confident, control their emotions, and know when to hold or fold with a woman they're in a committed relationship with. It's time to accept the beautiful lies and ugly truths, to become the man a woman can respect and other men want to be like. Go to patriarchypoker.com to get our committed relationship playing cards or relationship and dating playing cards. Because life's a gamble, so play like a man.